Hi mis amigas and welcome back. I'm here in the house and I have a lot of things that I have to get done around here because it's un desastre. It's a disaster. I need to put so many things away in the house. I gotta pick up. I have to do a lot of dishes. There's just so many things. I will show you guys in a little bit, but with that up here, right here, I have to take these things down. Estas florecitas también. I used those for my daughter's birthday party that was last month, and those need to get down already. And I have another ones up here. Let me show you guys. Aquí arribita, like my daughter decorated this little lamp right here, and I have to bring those down too. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all that stuff down, and I need to vacuum and I need to mop and I have to do all this fun stuff. So yeah, mis amigas, I'm gonna be doing that today. And I am so sorry for these glasses, the glare. Everywhere I stand, you guys can see like la luz. So sorry about that. And yeah, mis amigas, so I hope you guys are having such a great day today. And I just cannot wait to show you guys how I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen. So let's go ahead and show you guys the mess before I get started. Okay, so here is what the kitchen is looking at right now. It is a huge mess. I have a lot of dishes that I have to tackle there, and then I have to put some stuff away from over there. And my fruta here is looking so yummy and delicious, except for this mango. I have to eat it already, probably making a juice out of that one. And I don't know about you guys, but we're really into juice making, like fruits and vegetables and stuff like that. So that's why we have a various different kinds of food, like la piña también. Put it in juice, yummy, delicious. The dishes is a disaster. That is such a mess. So yeah, this is what the kitchen is looking like right now. And I need to like sweep clean that, because I don't know if you guys can see like the streaks there, but I have not found a proper way to clean my dishwasher, you guys. But if you guys have any ideas on how I can clean this mighty dishwasher, this is so embarrassing, but please let me know because it's such a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And el bote de basura, you guys, even though like it's just sits there, it does accumulate a lot of dust here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up, take the trash out, and kind of like clean it up, because you guys can see it's like se ensucia, you guys. Like, you guys don't even imagine, but se ensucia. It's even dirty from like the inside. Like, how embarrassing is that? But está super sucio. But yeah, you guys, I recommend you guys clean your trash cans if you guys have one. Okay, mis amigas, so I have this one right here. So quiero poner unas flores aquí en medio de la mesa, but I'm not too sure if I should use these. These were on top of my refrigerator, but I was looking in my decoration stuff that I do have in the garage. Like, all of my stuff is in there, and I don't have anything that, I do have a vase, but I don't have flores, that are big enough for that certain vase. But anywho, I don't know if I'm gonna just keep this one. It's basically this little basket, and it has fake daisies on it. And I wanna see if it looks really cute here. In the middle of la mesa, I'm not sure I'm liking it. I'm not sure. I think it's missing like a placemat, something. I don't know. I have to look, double check to see what I have within the garage. But for now, I'm gonna just leave this here and I'm gonna put like this. I used to have this napkin holder here, but I think I'm gonna just put this one away and then just leave the daisies there. Okay, mis amigas, so I am so happy that I was able to clean my kitchen just because I needed it so bad. And I don't know about you guys, but I sometimes I don't clean every single day just because like I just get tired, you know, and we're human and we get so tired. But tell me you guys, when do you guys usually clean your house? Is it like every Monday, Tuesday, whatever, or in the morning or in the afternoon, in the evening? Stuff like that. But usually when I deep clean like in the weekends just because I have more time there rather than the weekdays. But yeah, mis amigas, I am loving these cleaning videos and you guys are loving them so much, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching these videos. It just means a lot to me, mis amigas. You guys have no idea, and I am just so grateful. So yeah, mis amigas, look at the disaster. It's a huge mess, and I am a slacker when it comes with dishes. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know this is so embarrassing, but those dishes, they accumulate so bad and I just can't, mis amigas. I just can't. I just dislike doing the dishes. mis amigas, as I'm doing this video, I am just so grateful for my little kitchen. I am just so grateful because if you guys have been following for such a long time, my previous kitchen was smaller, and I am just so grateful. I am loving my kitchen. I think it's one of my favorite rooms around my house, and it just brings me joy, mis amigas, when I clean like the stove, the dishes, and everything like that. Once I put everything together, and it makes me just so happy. Like, I am a happy camper once my house is a clean. It's just super, super clean, because I have to say that my house brings me joy, and it's one of the key that I do, that I live with, and it just brings me a lot of joy, mis amigas, and I love it. I love it. Okay, so I was able to clean my dishwasher, and I actually just used my favorite solution, just water mixed with vinegar, and it actually turned out pretty well. But I'm gonna share with you guys how I do it. So basically, just grab yourself a spray bottle, and I just kind of wing this. There's no measurements for me, but if you are those measurements people, right on. But I don't. I just wing it. I just kind of like put a little bit of vinegar and then the rest water, and I just shake it up, and then it's good to go. But I tend to use less vinegar, and just like half and half, mis amigas. But it's up to you guys. If you guys want to measure it, go for it. But I don't. I just kind of wing it. But usually when I do it this way, it turns out really, really well for me. And yeah, so just be careful on how much vinegar you guys use, because sometimes me paso de más and it's not good. So just be careful, mis amigas. Y les recomiendo the solution, because you guys can use it for various things around the house. Like, I use it everywhere, mis amigas, donde quiera en mi casa. So I highly, highly recommend this solution. Try it out if you guys haven't already. Ok, mis amigas, llegamos casi al fin del video, and As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys are able to see, but this window right here was such a disaster. Estaba bien sucio because, you know, if you guys have dogs, like dogs van a hacer un tiradero, and you know, they put their noses right there and stuff like that. And let's be real, you guys, in sucia, it gets dirty, so we have to clean it up ourselves just so it could be nice and clean. So all I'm using it again is the vinegar and the water. I spray it all over and it literally cleans. It's super good, mis amigas. I highly recommend this if you guys haven't tried it already. But yeah, mis amigas, I clean it inside and out, but I first like to use the outside, this duster, just because, you know, tierra y todo eso, no quiero que se me raye mi vidrio, so that's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, mis amigas, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using my little banquito because I can't reach. I'm just so short. But yeah, mis amigas, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are new here, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel, and if you guys are part of the familia, I am just so grateful, mis amigas, because we are growing, and I'm just so blessed with each and one of you. I just can't stress it enough. But yeah, mis amigas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I will see you guys on my other video, mis amigas. Okay, enjoy the rest of the video.